sisterly bond.
Morning, big sister.
Andromeda, what in the galaxy?
I wanna spend a fun day with me and my big sister.
I can't right now. I got a busy schedule and I don't want you in the way.
Hey there, big sister. Want some breakfast?
I would to play breakfast with you, but big sissy's gotta go. Look, sister, I know you want to play, but I just don't have time today.
Then what am I supposed to do today?
Oh, look, Mr. Teddy Bear wants a spot of tea.
Ah, yes. I love a spot of tea, Ms. Indy.
He doesn't like tea on Wednesdays.
Well, figure it out. I gotta go.
So, big sister doesn't want to play? What to do now? I know. I'll try to make big sister happy when she comes back. Big sister will be so proud of me for helping her do the laundry. Oh my! Big sister's room is a pigsty. I should probably fix that for her. Hello, what's this?
Milky's diary. Touch and you'll be sully.
It's too bad I can't read anyway.
What do you think you're doing in my room?
I was just cleaning it.
More like diary thief. You trying to read my diary. My room, it's so clean. It's just wrong.
But I just wanted to help my sister and make her happy.
Well, you did awful. You took off my axe. My Little Pony. Friendship is magic is what killed our franchise.
I may have tried to do the laundry as well. As well. As well. As well. As well.
Andromeda, I've had it with you. Just get lost. I don't ever want to see your cute little face ever again.
Never again, huh? I'll accept that. I don't want to live with a big jerk.
Lil Andro, what are you doing here?
Don't call me that. I'm running away from home. Milky Way does not want me.
Oh man, why not?
She never appreciates anything I do for her. I'm nothing but trouble to her.
Don't worry, I got this.
Mercury, no.
Mercury.
Are you angry too?
Yeah,
What's the matter?
I can't see my forehead.
Well, I'm mad because my sister flooded the house with deodorant.
I'm mad about that too. You went too hard on her.
Are you biased? She literally ruined everything. If you're gonna listen to one side, listen to the other two.
Sorry, you're on your own.
Ah, fiddlesticks.
Oh my, I'm so sorry.
Thanks. I just wish I had a big sister who wouldn't be so picky.
You got me. I've got your back.
You don't understand Venus. It's not what you think.
Don't worry, Andromeda. It's going to be fine. Milky Way. Milky Way.
Will you quit knocking?
Milky Way. I think your little sister wants to say something.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
Okay, fine. Milky Way, I need to tell you something.
What do you want to tell me?
Listen, I'm really mad at you for being the worst sister ever.
Oh, dream on. My life is doing great right now without you.
You two are supposed to be siblings. You two used to be great pals. Now, look at you two. Total enemies. Okay. Let me make this simple. Milky Way. What did Andromeda do wrong?
First, she scares me out of bed, bothers me, cleans my supposed to be dirty room, and touched my diary.
Andromeda. Is this true? Now, what did Milky Way do wrong?
I just wanted to make my big sister happy. I thought doing her chores were easy, but it's apparently not.
Milky Way. Is this true?
I wanna spend a fun day with you and my big sister.
I can't right now. I got a busy schedule and I don't want you in the way.
Ah, yes. I love a spot of tea, Ms. Indian.
He doesn't like tea on Wednesdays.
Well, figure it out. I gotta go. My room, it's so clean. It's just wrong.
But I just wanted to help my sister and make her happy.
Well, you did awful. You took off my act. Andromeda, I've had it with you. Just get lost. I don't ever want to see your cute little face ever again. Yes, it's all true. I've been a huge jerk all this time. It's a huge responsibility being a big sister and it sometimes can stress me out. Andromeda, could you ever forgive me for my horrible actions?
Sure, that's all I wanted to hear.
I knew you guys could cooperate.
I promise I'll be a much better sister for you. You are indeed someone important to me.
Don't mention it, big sister.